Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the BBC. Once again, thank you very much for joining me. Today, I've got something special and pretty. I just got this in today. I've already opened it, but before I open it completely, I want to share this with you, ladies and gentlemen. I got an LT4 Supercharger Lid, and I am going to put it on the BBC today, and I'm going to definitely bring you guys along with me. You may or may not want to see me do all the motions to go and put this thing on, but you know, hey, I'll film it anyway. I may or may not put it on the video, but I just want you, ladies and gentlemen, to see what it is that I've got, and we're going to see how this all works. So let's do some cutting here. Remember, you know, be safe, don't cut yourselves. Don't be like me and try to chop your leg off with a machete, but that's a story for another time. Alrighty then, let's see what we have here. Oh, pretty. Oh, this is really nice. Let's see what we got here. Yep, black anodized Supercharger Lid. This thing is kind of hefty, a little bit heavy. All right, let's get out of there. Come on. Come on. You can do it. There we go. All right. Let's make ourselves a little space here. Ooh, pretty. Well, that is very pretty, to say the least. It looks like it's going to give a little bit more volume to the superchargers. You know, a little bit more air, possibly a little bit more horsepower in the car. I'm kind of looking more for the supercharger whine that I've been trying to get that sound to be more prominent in the car, and this may help it. I will make sure and put a link in the description as far as where I purchased this from. Costs and all that stuff you can look up when you get to the place, to the link yourself. Looks really nice. Nice machining job. Huge plenums on either side. It's a little bit higher than the stock lid, but we're gonna slap this on and we're gonna see what it does, how it sounds. I may even do some in-car and outside of the car driving videos with it, so you can hear what it sounds like and at least see what it looks like when I put it on. But stand by, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get this party started here, and when I'm done, I will make sure that you get to see what I've got. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That is the completion of the install of the supercharger lid cover. I'm going to take this thing out for a drive probably tomorrow morning and see what it sounds like, how it works. Everything seems to be working just fine. I got the torque specs down, which is 4 inch-pounds on the first pass and 8 inch-pounds for the second pass in the pattern that is prescribed by, I guess, the manufacturer of GM superchargers. And the same goes for this lid as well. So if you happen to want to get one of these, I will put the link in the description as far as who it's from. I may even put something somewhere in the video about where I got it from, so you can get one yourself if you choose to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great evening. Thank you once again for joining me. Please be safe out there, and remember, if you're going to speed, do your best to keep it under 100. But if you cannot do that, remember, it's your ticket, and you're going to have to pay it. Have a great evening.